Here's how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. First, I will suggest changing your in-game graphics settings. Open Settings, then go to the Video section. Here, make sure that the resolution is set to 1080p or 720p. Then, scroll and drag this bar to the left for increased performance. Or you can manually change these settings to medium or low. Just click on the menu, then select a setting, then see if your FPS improves. Also, make sure this FPS cap is not too low. It should be more than 120. Now, one more thing. Set FPS to uncapped, then see how much maximum FPS you get. If you see that you get more than, let's say, 60, but there are frequent drops, then lock FPS to 60 for much smoother gameplay. Next, close the game, open Windows Search, type Graphics Settings, and find League of Legends. Select it and set it to high performance. Then, right-click the League of Legends shortcut, open Properties, go to Compatibility, and enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. If you are using a laptop, put it on charging and turn of Energy Saver for full performance. Finally, remember that ping and FPS are different. Poor internet can cause stuttering even when your FPS is high, so check your connection too. That's all for this video. Thanks.